Hey guys, welcome to Pro 3 Dimension. Today we're going to look at the Modify panel. So the first tool is a Move tool. You can use this tool to move around your sketches. First I'm going to select the sketch, then I'm going to select the base point. Now I can move it around the workspace. The next tool is Copy. Just like the previous tool, I'm going to select the sketch, then I'm going to select the base point. And now I can specify where I want to place my copy, and I can just continue. The next tool is Rotate tool. So I'm going to select the sketch, then I'm going to select the center point. It's giving me a warning saying my constraints would be removed, so I'm going to select yes. And now I can freely rotate my sketch, or I can input a precise angle, let's say 45. The next tool is Trim. You can use this tool to trim out intersecting curves. In this example, I have a rectangle and a line, so I can use the Trim tool to trim out these excess lines. The next tool is Extend. You can use this tool to extend curves to a nearest curve. In this example, I have a rectangle and a line, so I'm going to select this line and it will extend to the other line. I'm going to do the same to the other side. The next tool is Split. This is similar to the Trim tool, but instead of trimming the intersecting curves, this will split the curves into pieces. In this example, I have the rectangle and a line, so I'm going to use the Split tool and it will split the line in 3 pieces. The next tool is Scale. So I'm going to select the sketch, then I'm going to select the base point, and now I can scale it freely, or I can input a precise scale factor, let's say 1.5. The next tool is Stretch. You can use this tool to stretch out 2 curves constrained at 2 points. In this example, I have a rectangle. I'm going to select this side, and then I'm going to select this point as the base point. It's giving me a warning that those constraints would be removed. I'm going to select yes, and now I can freely move those 2 sides. The next tool is a pretty handy tool called Offset. So I'm going to select my sketch and it will create an offset of that same sketch inside or outside. This is pretty handy to create something like a shell or a container. So that completes the Modify palette. In the next tutorial, we'll go over the Pattern palette. So stay tuned.